business. This is usually done to focus on core competencies or to raise cash. 8. Types of divestiture. Sell-offs, selling a complete subsidiary or division to another company. Spin-offs, creating a new, independent public company from a division. This allows the new company to pursue a focused strategy without being hampered by the parent company's structure. B. Goal. To unlock value in a non-core asset, simplify the parent company's structure, or generate cash to pay down debt or fund growth in core areas. This is a crucial move for improving return on equity, ROE, by shading poorly performing assets. Strategy 5. Workouts and turnarounds. This is the most intense form, reserved for companies facing bankruptcy or near failure. 8. Turnaround management. Bringing in specialized management, a turnaround CEO, to drastically cut costs, stabilize operations, and execute a survival plan. This usually includes elements of both operational and financial restructuring, often under extreme pressure. P. Chapter 11. Insolvency. A legal mechanism where the company operates under court protection while it attempts to restructure its finances and operations to survive, often wiping out old equity holders. C. Goal. Surviving. To rapidly cut losses, satisfy creditors, and return the business to profitability. Conclusion. Action plan at call to action ****. Successful corporate restructuring is about precision, not panic. It requires rigorous analysis to determine which of these 5 strategies, operational, financial, M&A, divestiture, or turnaround, will achieve your specific strategic objectives. Which of these restructuring strategies do you think is most relevant to today's economic climate? Share your opinion in the comments below. If you found this breakdown valuable, please hit the like button, subscribe for more advanced business strategy content, and ring that notification bell.